Hey there fellow sleep seekers, my name is Adriana reporting for the Sleep Sherpa, and today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Harmony pillow from Purple. Purple's known for their great technology. When they first introduced their brand to the public in 2015, they built their company by launching a Kickstarter campaign, and by 2017, just 2 years later, they were bought out by a New York acquisition company for $1.1 billion. Since the release of their original product, their line has grown to include mattresses, pillows, pet beds, and more. Today we are looking at the Purple Harmony pillow. It comes with a 1-year limited warranty, a 100-night trial, and it retails for $159. It's made with the hyper-elastic polymer that Purple engineered themselves, as well as a latex known as... And here is the written version because the pronunciation continues to perplex me. Now it's time to take this pillow for a test drive and see the harmony that it promises to deliver. Whoa, that is... Wow, that's pretty sweet, I gotta say. So I'm super curious to see just how my head is aligned with the rest of my body. I have a feeling that there is a slight lift, but I won't know that until I'm looking at it from your perspective. First impressions are that this pillow is absolutely lovely. Do I feel like I am in harmony? Yes. I totally do. So as I'm laying on my back, I'm really digging this. I do, I like it. It's just incredibly comfortable. I'm totally a side sleeper. I can't deny that. And I wonder if this could be my new side sleeping pillow. Now I currently sleep on the Reflex pillow. I love it with all of my heart. Reflex pillow, I love you guys, love you guys. Purple, I hope you don't mind me plugging that company in this video because they're great. But this pillow so far is really, it's really quite wonderful. It just seems to be just soft enough. Would I describe this pillow as a firm pillow? Absolutely not. To me, firm just means a little bit more stiff. And this pillow has like a really interesting bounce to it. You know? Like, look at this. Like, even when you're just laying on it yourself and you're moving about, it feels like it has like a, you know, like a nice springy action to it. There's no springs in this, obviously, but you can feel how, I don't know. just how malleable it is. Now, for people that have really specific needs, I don't know what to say. I feel like this is the kind of pillow that you would need to spend a couple of nights to really know if it is for you. That being the case, I think their 100-night trial is awesome. If you're worried about dishing out the cash and you're thinking like, what if I spend all this money and I'm not with it? You know, at least you can always call them and say like, hey, listen, this is just not for me. So I think that's a huge plus that is worth taking advantage of. Now, just to be completely transparent, I've not actually tried the original purple pillow, which mimics the original purple mattress pretty seamlessly. So this is really different. I will be showing you guys up close what this pillow does actually look like. In the beginning, I was pretty committed to cutting the pillow open to show you like what's inside. But because the material on the inner part is actually pretty translucent, that's actually not really necessary. But this pillow is interesting. And I think it's clear that it's more than just the pillow case that is providing this kind of bounciness. The foam on the inside is obviously, I think, doing a lot of the work. And the grid-like pattern, the little bit of it that is sewn into the cover, it feels nice. It does feel really cool. I like it. I do like it. Is it what I was expecting? No, it's not what I was expecting. So you might find yourself wondering, so what exactly were you expecting, Adriana? And maybe this is something that Purple can use as some form of inspiration. I was under the impression that this would be a pillow that is very similar to their original purple pillow. However, something like that with actual like contours, that would be interesting to see. I don't know how functional that would be, but you don't know until you try. So engineering team, you know, take that for a spin, see if that's something that you like. And if not, then I guess we'll never see it. Overall, I do have to say I like this pillow. There is a fair amount of weight to it. I don't think it's a bad thing. And my initial reaction is I like it very much. I like that there's a bounciness to it. I like that it is a soft pillow. I like that I don't feel that my head is lifted too far up. And this is something that I would definitely buy for myself to try as a specialty pillow. Do I recommend it? Yes. Well, it's all that I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you found this video on the Purple Harmony pillow to be insightful. And if you'd like to learn more, there will be a written review linked down below. And I'll see you guys next time for more pillow reviews. Take it easy.